which is how you emphasize that being a storyteller is not all about being viral, but it is something personal and comes from the heart, and that being a storyteller too means leaving a legacy that you can share with future generations, in which you will use as a path for change to make a better world. And for my question po, what could be your advice to future storytellers who wants to use their skill to make a change or be the voice to the voiceless? Because now parang they were being limited because of maybe the fear and the risk or possibly the consequences they might face.
Alam mo, Iya, ako rin takot dyan eh. Dinaanan ko din yan eh. Before I went into social media, parang, di ba, parang dapat talaga matapang ang loob mo, buo ang loob mo, siguradong pinapasok mo. You have to have great sense of self. Yung self-worth mo has to be really very, very strong. Because wala eh. Bukas ang mundo eh. Di ba? Real time. Yeah. So, sa akin kasi, for as long as you live by your guideposts and you are your authentic self, know that you cannot please the world. No, I mean, you have to accept that. You cannot please everybody. But for as long as you stand on authenticity, you're speaking your truth. Go ahead. Wala kang tinatapakan. Diba? That balance of context, compassion, truth, dignity, yan. Wala ka dapat ikatakot. Don't be don't hide behind the image of a brand or another person. Don't create another personality just to be liked by everyone. Be your authentic self. Warts and all. Yeah, ganun yan. Ganun yan. And if one day, you never know what your future will be. One day, some of you will be in the world of government, public service, media, entertainment, OMG. Make sure that your sense of self-worth is strong. Because it can sting. Masakit. And you have to be able to transcend the pain. You have to be able to transcend the bashing. You have to be able to transcend the cancel culture. Why will your life stop?
Thank you for
Thank you.
Thank you.